Lala English News. Today's news is Crazy Bridge Ramp. When you go to Busan, you gotta be careful. Busan Hangdaegyo Bridge has a very dangerous looking entrance ramp. It really looks like a roller coaster. Everybody is afraid of that ramp. It leads up to over 60 meters from the ground. It is as high as a 20-story apartment building. In February, a woman driving on that ramp was so scared that she stopped driving and asked for help. We have to drive 250 meters on the scary ramp to enter the bridge. The ramp needs prompt actions. Lala English News. This is Stephanie.